In a press release issued yesterday, COCOMI has questioned whether the state government is still not going to take up any actions against the 2 Kuki Cabinet Ministers and other 7 Kuki MLAs who have been demanding separate administration and playing active role in trying to disintegrate Manipur. COCOMI in its release has expressed that in the recent days, one top stud cop has been killed by Kuki militants, 2 students have gone missing since November 5 and have also launched attacks targeting Meitei villages in the past few days, even using bombs targeting Meitei people. In the recent attacks, 9 innocent civilians have also been injured as a result of the attacks by the Kuki militants. In such a scenario, the people of Manipur shall be compelled to lose trust and faith on the government of India that is going to take actions against the Kuki militants and illegal Chin Kuki narco-terrorists. COCOMI has thus demanded to drop the 2 cabinet Kuki ministers from the state government who have falsely narrated the incident of deployment of state security forces in Moray in the aftermath of killing of SDPO Jingtham Anand, whereby they wrote to the Union Home Minister of forced charges of commission of atrocities against the Kuki people. It has also been expressed that the statement of BJP that no BJP MLA has demanded separate administration is a blatant lie when the 2 Kuki ministers and 7 Kuki MLAs who are from the BJP party are actively supporting the Kuki militants and demanding separate administration.